Helium 10 looks like the ultimate seller tool, but here's what beginners really need to know about it. Now, of course, there is a 7-day free trial, so you definitely want to test that out before you buy the product. Don't just start spending money. Take time, test it out. There's a discount code right here and a discount code in the description, so that way you're not getting ripped off if you do decide to go in. Put that in, 10% off for life. Not bad at all. But what you want to know is for Helium 10, there's only really 4 or 5 tools you're really going to use. They keep coming out with new tools: Black Box, Listing Builder, Analytics, Operations. But in all honesty, you're only going to be using mainly 4 or 5 different tools. So just be aware of that. Now, these tools are extremely powerful, so I'm not trying to say you won't be using it. But the main tools you're going to be using is number 1, Black Box, right? So Black Box is going to help you find products on Amazon, and it does do a great job. They keep optimizing it. 1 week, sometimes it's a little off, but there are actual Amazon sellers that created Helium 10. So they're making sure that you have the best service possible. So you can just plug and play. If you want to sell arts and crafts, right, you can find different items like this little doodle kit that I found recently. It only has 139 reviews, and it's making a significant amount of sales. So it's not that bad. It's going to be a great holiday season product. You just doodle and then it shows it. Great for kids, right? So you can find products very easily with that tool. And the next one's going to be Magnet. So Magnet is a tool right here. If you go to products, you can see Magnet. This is where you can find high relevant keywords. So if you're launching a product on Amazon, or you already have a product, maybe you're selling golf balls, you want to figure out what else are customers typing in to find this item. Because if you're trying to compete for the keyword golf balls, the issue is there's so many competitors already. So you need to find other keywords that you can rank for, that you can get to page number 1 for, such as Vice Pro Plus, TaylorMade Golf, Shamrock Golf. These could also, some of these are trademarks, so you can only run Amazon ads for them. Funny golf equipment. I never thought about that. Golf Pink. So then these are other keywords that you can use. You can also search it by search volume and find the highest keywords that you want to be ranking for and put these in your title, right? Or your description. Golf tees, it's getting 90,000 searches a month. So if you can show up anywhere on page number 1 for that keyword, golf tees, that's going to help you. And obviously you need to put this in your description, your title, your backend keywords, and run Amazon ads towards this keywords to get on page number 1, right? But once you are on page number 1, you're going to see a huge spike in sales. So this is going to be a great secondary tool to use. Next up is going to be Cerebro, where you can actually put in one of your competitors' products into here. So you put in one of your competitors' ASINs, and it tells you what your competitor is ranking for, right? So it tells you the exact keywords. This is one of the top competitors on Amazon for golf balls. You can just check right here, type in, it'll show you exactly what the customer is searching in. So if someone types in golf accessories, they show up. If somebody types in golf accessories for men, they show up. So these are keywords that only they show up for, right? So this is a great one. So you can see, okay, what are the competitors' keywords using? And you can see they're getting 20,000 searches a month, 200,000 searches a month for the keyword golf balls. And you can just pretty much mimic your competitors if you want, or at least use it as a base. Last but not least is obviously going to be the Chrome extension. So the Helium 10 Chrome extension is called X-Ray. And this is where you can type in the keyword golf balls, and you can see how much competitors are actually making a month. So you can see Vice golf balls are making $200,000 a month. Let's scroll down. 300,000, $1 million a month. So again, this is a great way to see how much your competitors are making, which competitors you want to mimic, what keywords you want to figure out, right? So the one that's making $1 million a month, I would copy their ASIN, put it into Cerebro, and figure out, how are they making $1 million a month? What keywords are people typing in? Can I show up? Because even if you take 1%, if you show up 1% of time for their keywords, you'll be doing some damage, right? And then what keywords you're not supposed to, or competitors you're not supposed to be following, such as these golf balls. These are glow-in-the-dark golf balls. that are only making $60 a month. So you need to figure out, okay, you want to pick your poison. You want to figure out who you want to be fighting in this journey. Last but not least, Helium 10 does offer free training, so make sure you utilize that. A lot of training, a lot of people will pay for. This one offers free training as long as you sign up. So I think that's going to be really good for your Amazon journey. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full account management. We'll come into your Amazon account, manage your inventory, call Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. This way you can spend time on working on your business and growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.